Who'd have thought a youngin' in the game like this? Lost so many times, I just had to resist. Lleva la bolsa como Jesse W's. Take me to the money, only futures I pursue. Looking at my screen, just lost 2 bands. Time to make it back, that's the master plan. Losing everything, had to make it right. I don't chase no stock, it's just futures I like. What you know about that, man? Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. Yeah, you know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just like count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that, man? Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just like count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that, man? Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Who'd have thought a youngin' in the game like this? Lost so many times, I just had to resist. Lleva la bolsa como Jesse W's. Take me to the money, only futures I pursue. Looking at my screen, just lost 2 bands. Time to make it back, that's the master plan. Losing everything, had to make it right. I don't chase no stock, it's just futures I like. What you know about that, man? Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. Yeah, you know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just like count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that, man? Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just like count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that, man? Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. W's. Take me to the money, only futures I pursue. Looking at my screen, just lost 2 bands. Time to make it back, that's the master plan. Losing everything, had to make it right. I don't chase no stock, it's just futures I like. What you know about that, man? Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. Yeah, you know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just like count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that, man? Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that just light, count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that man, Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Who'd have thought a youngin' in the game like this? Lost so many times, I just had to resist. Lleva la bolsa como Jesse W's. Take me to the money, only futures I pursue. Looking at my screen, just lost 2 bands. Time to make it back, that's the master plan. Losing everything, had to make it right. I don't chase no stock, it's just futures I like. Like, what you know about that man, Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. Yeah, you know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just light. Count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that man, Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just light. Count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that man, Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Who'd have thought a youngin' in the game like this? Lost so many times, I just had to resist. Lleva la bolsa como Jesse W's. Take me to the money, only futures I pursue. Looking at my screen, just lost 2 bands. Time to make it back, that's the master plan. Losing everything, had to make it right. I don't chase no stock, it's just futures I like. Like, what you know about that man, Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. Yeah, you know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just light. Count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that man, Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name. Look at my wrist, this is just light. Count up some money and do it again and do it again. Shorty, she knows she one of my kin. Back to the future, the only way I trade. Damn, it's a good day to get paid. Look at my wrist, look at my shoes, look at my neck, all of it blue. If I was you, I'd trade futures too. Me and Jesse making money moves. Like what you know about that man, Jesse W. Ain't no better source of futures news than that dude. Call him Jesse W. Educated, you know the name. You know the name.
Good morning, guys. Happy Monday, December 1st. Let's lower this music a little bit there. How is it there, guys? Is that volume a little bit better for you? Give me 1 second here as I download today's video. Oh, I need the thumbnail still. Boom, boom, boom. We got that. Where's the chat? Good morning, guys. Trader's Nest, the beast in the house, holding it down. Wild Worlds Animated. What's up? What's up? Black Diamond. Will, it is not Wednesday. You are not tripping. Special Monday stream because felt inspired to. Gustavo in the house up there. He says $1,400 on one account and $2,000 on another. Let's go. Oh, both wiped out. Confused. I don't understand. You won 1,400 and then 2,000, but both are wiped out. Does that mean you passed them? Curani Trades, what's up, man? Good morning, Saf City. Skeleton Emperor. You guys have the best names. Like, I don't even know how you come up with it. P Doggy Trades, what's up? What's up? Evals, Roger. 1 minute to open, says the beast. Guys, any of you guys out there, website developers? Any website developers in the house? You can keep the money in the family. Do I do giveaways on this channel? Like what? What type of giveaways are you looking for there, my man? You're just here for giveaways? Come on. What type of giveaways are you looking for? We do some giveaways. Bernard says, I need advice from you, Jesse. What is better trade? 20 accounts of Apex or 10 of Apex? Bernard, it's too early, brother. Reward that for me. Reward it, and I'll be more than happy. 9 inches of snow. Oh my God. Yeah, I got a friend. One of my close friends lives out in Chicago, and yeah, he told me about that. That's nuts. Snack giveaways. I got peanut butter toast right here. I just took one bite out of it now. Need to eat some more. All right, guys, what's on the docket for today? I don't know. I don't freaking know. I got some evals loaded up for Apex. I'm going to be trading. I took an overnight trade on my personal account, 5-hour long trade. Made a few bucks. Worked out 900 something bucks. Nothing else. Yeah, nothing else going on. No open positions. I'm going to trade some Apex evals here. Same way as I traded them last week. One and done shots, YOLOs. And see if I can add them. I already got 20 accounts with them, 20 PAs, and I got like 2 or 4 evals that are passed. I think 3. I don't know. I have to go look. So I'm gonna just leave some in the back burner. I bought some My Funded Futures Pros during the Black Friday sale. So I bought 3 of those. I got to work on. What else? I'm probably gonna look and maybe buy some Lucid later this month, or maybe today, and work on it this month. The objective here is to load up on as many funded accounts as I can and backups to the funded accounts this month so that we can start off 2026 with bangs. But, you know, I'll still trade my funded accounts here and there if we get some good setups. 406 Trader says, looks like you got some energy back. Keep it up. Yup. Definitely. Much better. Lucid Flex. New video drops today, Caleb, on Lucid Flex. Looks good, man. I mean, if you want to get some payouts, it looks good. If you want to go live and like, well, I gotta understand these traders that are just so like hard pressed on going live with these prop firms. I mean, unless that's the only route, but then even then, who cares? Just make money trading sim and live and like what? I don't know, man. I just get frustrated listening to these people on social media. Like, I gotta go live. Who has the best live program? Bro, you haven't ever gotten even a payout in your life. What are you worried about live? Anyways, no rants today. Well, maybe later. Bernard's back. Says, sorry, brother. Ha ha ha. That shit was nuts to read. Would you trade all 20 of Apex accounts, or would you divide into groups? Now we're talking. I don't trade all 20. I mean, the only way, look, bro, honestly, the only way I'd trade all 20 at once is if I've already gotten payouts out of all of them and I already put money in my pocket. All right, cool. Now I'll trade all 20 at once. Or if I have like 60 accounts, meaning 20 PAs, 40 that are passed, and they're in the back burner ready to rock and roll. So no, right now I trade them in sets of 5s. I actually got 4 loaded up here. Well, not right now, because I have an eval that I want to work on once I stop yapping. But I try to trade them in sets of 5s. Futures bets, morning. He says, morning, has everyone already hit the like button? Has everyone already hit the like button? I don't know. Nice, John. Jesse, do you have to activate Apex PA? No, you do not have to. You just have to keep the subscription alive, though. Will says, Will says, Lord, keep Jesse strong and healthy, brother. I appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Yeah, futures bets. I'm dropping a video today. I actually just downloaded it now, and I'll be uploading it in a little while. Gotta finish up that thumbnail, and it'll upload today. It's an update on Tick Trader, and I actually talked about the CME's downtime the other day, but I kind of forgot to put that in the video, and we're not gonna have time to put it in the video anymore, so it is what it is. And then I go over Lucid Flex and their payout structure and all that good stuff. Speaking of payout structure, I can't say what firm it is. Whoa, wait a second. SPY previous support on this 15-minute chart. Previous support, okay, being tested right now. Previous resistance turn support. We're testing it right now on this 15-minute chart. Might have to take a stab at a YOLO on an eval. Let it be known it's an eval. So I can't say what firm it is, even though I hadn't signed anything that says, oh, there we go, an eval just right there. You guys saw it. You guys saw it, right? You guys saw that, right? Yeah, you saw it, because I noticed last week one of them didn't come up on the damn screen. Only my loser came up on the screen. That was bull crap. I was the DJ. I'm firing him. It's me, the producer. But now you saw it. I told you. It's like, oh, resistance zone. I'm gonna try it real quick. Bang. I don't even know what to do anymore. Like, you just click the button and it happens. Anyways, I digress once again. If we could get back to the topic at hand, there is a firm. I signed nothing that says I cannot share what it is or who, but I was asked to whoa. So I shall whoa. But there's a firm out there. They're out there. And they're thinking about doing direct funding. What firm is it? Can't tell you. Can't tell you. Can't tell you yet. Can't tell you yet. But it did ask me what I thought about certain things. I shared what you guys in the community had to say. All right, because I was like, you know what? It doesn't matter what I say. It's like, what does the community say? I did a couple polls, on YouTube, on Discord, and I shared those findings with them. They were very grateful. So now we sit and wait. It'll probably take a few more weeks, if not longer, before this is out there. But it's going to be exciting if it does happen. Will says, take profit trader. Already know. I don't know. Will not confirm nor deny that. Whoa. Bam, bam. Oh, that was, no. Even I'm over here entertained looking at charts and I heard that. Yo. All right, let's find something else. Staff picks. Huh. Delusional is the title of this song. We're all freaking delusional. I'll tell you that much right now. So no giveaways on this. The trader, no giveaways. No giveaways. As a matter of fact, goodbye. You come on here just begging for giveaways, asking giveaways, giveaway, you're gone. Like, what is that, bro? Come on, get out of here. Like, that dude, I've never seen that dude in the channel before in my entire life. And the first 2 comments on the chat is about giveaways. You giveaway here? A giveaway? A giveaway? A giveaway? Bro, what is that, bro? Yeah, I do giveaways, man. But bro, what is that? How about come into the chat, into the community, and put some value into the community as a member? You know, chat with other members, to call out some levels. You know, what do you trade? Ask a question that's educational oriented or news oriented. But don't come into the chat just asking for giveaways. Like, what is that? I'm sorry, guys. Tushar, I'm doing better, as you can tell. Thank you very much, brother. I really appreciate everybody's thoughts and prayers over the last couple months. They have been some of the most trying days of my entire life. But by the grace of God, we've gotten through them, and health has been restored. Energy has been restored. Weight has been restored. Lean muscle mass has been restored. Mental peace has been restored. God is good. Black Diamond, dude didn't say good morning or anything, just straight to giveaways. Yeah, bro, that guy just popped into chat. Y'all do giveaways? Y'all do giveaways up in here? What? And then like a while later, so no giveaways. All right, goodbye, no more. Come on. I mean, if he would have, maybe he was joking. I doubt it. He would have put an LOL at the end of that last one, and we would have known he was joking around. I would have like, all right, guys, just pulling our legs, but oh. Trish, yes, 1 trade so far, 1 Apex eval passed. So we're 1 for 1. Oh, the beast knows. He saw his chat history, so okay, there we go. Caleb, if you, brother, you know how many videos I've done on them in the last few months? You should watch my videos. You would have saved some money. Damn, look at that drop. Autumn says, Jesse! Gustavo. That's funny. Thanks, P Doggy. Future bets. Wait, did I miss a giveaway? Oh man. Alright, we got the SPY back underneath that resistance zone we drew out. Gonna wait for the next possible setup for a scalp. Gonna load up the next eval as well. We'll see what we can get done. Might get lucky, get another one in. This would have been an easy little scalp there real quick. But SPY right now, damn man. SPY and a bear flag. Let me show you this. There's your bear flag. Whoa. My bad. There's your bear flag formation. Should have gone for the scalp there. Damn it. Alright, alright. It's time to lock it in. Damn it. This thing's whipping around crazy. Oh. Damn. Should have really had my personal account loaded up today, not this. Not playing around with the evals and whatnot. Looks like it just wants to dump. SPY breaking down underneath the bear flag area. Show you that real quick here. All right, I'm gonna take a risky one here probably. I'll take a little risky one there. Yeah, a little too risky. Should have waited for a little bit more of a pop maybe. Let's see. Yeah, the SPY retracing back inside the bear flag, not good. SPY right, oh, that just got stopped out. The trail, well, not the trail, the max loss got it. All right, so we're 1 for 2 on the evals right now. SPY breaking back inside the bear flag. All right, so SPY breaking back inside the bear flag. Let's see what it's going to do here. SPY testing the VWAP on the 3-minute chart. I'm going to try one more short here. We'll see if we get it. Nope. Damn. All right. So looks like 1 so far today passed and 2 fails. Damn. Not starting off good. Gonna have to be more patient here on the rest of these evals at Apex. Look at this. Look at this reversal on the SPY. Are you kidding me? It's like it decided to just double bottom down here. But I'm wondering if this 9 AMA zone is going to hold resistance. That 9 AMA zone could be a resistance area. Let's draw a line around there. Draw a line around there. Just turn it into a daily chart real quick. You know what? Let's erase all these lines. Go back. 3-minute. Now let's redraw the line. Go to the daily. All right, so that 9 AMA zone coincides with Friday's low, this previous high, and that's it. So a little bit of an area there to keep an eye on. Oof, that's a big boy move up there. That is a big boy move up there.
Yeah, girl, it's been a minute since I vibe with you. Conversating, do nothing right with you.
What are we gonna do here now? We're just gonna power on through this zone. I'm sure there's gonna be a little pullback in there somewhere. It's nice volume on the push though, on the SPY. Woof! Look at that thing go, bro. Look at the SPY. SPY said, resistance what? Get out my way. SPY new high a day after that low test. That's incredible. Whoa, lost chat. Guys, real quick shout out to the channel members. You guys are awesome. MVPs of the channel, to be honest. The volatility is nice. Go out to the Waffle House or something? No, why? Damn, that's a nice drop. Max, wild. Sarge, why? News at 10, guys. The Beast letting us know we got news in 11 minutes. No, not 4. That 4 is there for when I am trading my 4 of my accounts together at once with the copy trader, and I scale in one contract at a time. When I'm trading the 50K accounts evals and I'm YOLOing them, I max. So all 10 contracts, look for 15.5 points, which is rather not difficult to get out of the ES. I'm sorry, out of the NQs, and that's it. So far, we passed 1 today. All right, need to eat a piece of this toast. I'll tell you something. Damn it! I love peanut butter, but now it's stuck on my finger. What a mess. There we go. Thoughts keep me awake. Just let me be. I reach from my phone and find your name. Shouldn't call, but I can't. All right, guys, let me see what I got going on here. So we're gonna do 2 giveaways today, an Apex and a Take Profit Trader, and of course we're going to do a trade day end of day account. Whoever is the #1 top fan in chat will win a trade day 50K end of day account. Those of you who are new, how can you be #1 in chat and the top fans? Well, here's a link from Google. You can click that and you can learn how. Siva, hey. You've never seen someone trade 3 minis? Dude, in my personal account, I've traded 4, 5 even. It just depends where my stop is. Like last night, I put on a trade. Well, I put out orders. They got filled overnight. Trade lasted 5 hours, but I only had 1 mini. My stop was about 50 points. So I only had 1 mini because I was only really willing to risk $1,000. Oh, 3 mins. 3 minutes. What do you mean? Oh, 3-minute candles. You're talking about the candles. You're talking about my chart time frame. Guys, stop talking in codes. My longest holding trade, I think it was last week. It was 13 hours. I posted it. I was flabbergasted. I posted that trade with the orders and the P&L thing from Tradeovate on Discord, on YouTube, on Twitter or X, whatever. And normally when I post trades like that, people will be like, damn, your whole time. This is probably my longest one ever. And no one said a word. I was like, wow, no one saw that? Like nobody really looked. Like people just look at the P&L, like how much you make. That was a 13-hour trade. The best part of it was I was basically asleep the whole time. It was personal account here. Personal account. Yeah, some of my best trades have been that way. Put on my orders during Globex and go about my night, go to sleep, wake up the next day. Either I lost some money, I got no trade, or I made some money. Either way, it's all good. Joey, he says, hey Jesse, got a funding Tixum account. What do you think about them? Well, Joey, if you use my coupon code when you bought it, then you already know what I think about them. They're good. They're all right. You know, if there's a coupon code attached, okay, and I talk about it, I don't know if anybody out there is stealing my coupon code. That'd be messed up. And it's JESSEW, and I promote it on the channel. Then I like the firm. You know, I like some others more than, you know, whatever. But if it's on the channel, then it's got my 2 thumbs up at a minimum. Yeah, man. You guys, look at my description section. Look at my comment section. Like in the videos, I always pin my comment with like latest discounts and whatnot. And then the description section has every firm I partner with. Apart from the fact, if you're gonna buy something from a firm, just type in my code, see what happens. You never know. No? But look, I am partnered with 8 firms. 8. There's a crap ton of firms, but I'm only partnered with 8. Who are they? Apex, Take Profit Trader, TradeBase, Earn to Trade, Tradeify, Purity Capital, Bulanox, Funding Ticks. Oh crap, 9. And the Futures Trade Desk. Whoopsie. Thought it was 8. 10? My funded futures? No, I already said my funded futures, right? I don't know. But yeah, here they are. What the fucking hell am I talking about? Apex, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, Lucid, Bulanox, My Funded Futures, Tradeify, Trade Desk, Furia, and Bulanox. So yeah, 10. Some of them just don't make it into the showcases often for various reasons. None that have to do with their pay to me. Yeah, trade days 40% off. Coupon code all caps JESSEW. They started off their December with that. And that's one of the free accounts we'll do today. There you go. No future bets. What? That is wild, my man. Dude, I've even taken a trade in it. Well, I've taken 3 trades. 1 for 3. Passed 1 Apex eval, failed 2. Yeah, Purity is awesome. Jonah, the CEO, is a great guy. I've talked to him one-on-one. Super cool guy, very transparent. The Beast. What's going on with this music? Maybe something else. Some 80s music. Let's go, Tushar. Hey, man. All right, man. Is it time for another trade yet? All right, let's see if there's a little pullback coming here. If there's no little pullback coming in here for a retest of that previous resistance, then damn, bulls are really going to push this market higher today. And that would make me think that we're going to break Friday's high. Or at a minimum, test it. News in 2 minutes. Can we get a fill at 47.50 before the news drops? We're almost there. Oh no, the trail's going to get me. Come on. 47.50. We're 2 for 4 today on the evals. Just putting these in the pocket, and letting it be as backups for a later time. Why did I go after that? Well, very simple. What did the SPY do? Look at that. Right to it. Right to it, my friends. Jesse, but the fair value gap. You're supporting resistance. You ain't gotta complicate a complicated career. You don't have to complicate a complicated career. Why complicate it? But the silver bullet in the market makers, they kidnap me. They'll kidnap me if I tell you how to trade support and resistance zones for scalps. Oh my God. Look, I was a child in the 80s, but I must admit that the 80s music is sounding really damn good these days. I don't really remember 80s music, you know. I was G.I. Joe's in Disney World when I was a little kid. Okay, so 40% off over at Lucid. Lucid Flex. New video drops today on that. Here are all the current specials, guys. Bulanox, 85% off. Apex has a crazy special. It ends, I think, tomorrow. You got the 80% off, which is pretty standard. But then you have $40 lifetime PA fees on all the accounts, which is pretty damn good. But if you have a 100K account, then it's $10 PA fee. That's a no-brainer. And then Take Profit is basically, Take Profit Trader is basically telling you, hey, you can have the account for free if you pass it on your first try. Here you go. 100% refund on your account plus 30% off and 0 activation fee. What else? My Funded Futures has 30% off Cyber Monday on the Pro. Boom. Tradeify has 40% off on all their accounts if I'm not mistaken. Bang. Coupon code Jesse W, JESSEW on all these guys. Futures Trade Desk also. Cyber Monday coming out all wins here. And then if I'm not mistaken, Purdia. Wow, almost messed this up. Purdia, 50% off. Which is pretty damn good. I don't think I've ever seen them do 50% off. Oh, Funding 6, 50% off. 50% off. The Wild, pass that off to a lawyer, bro. One of those like ticket clinics, bro. They'll get that thing squared away with the quickness. Yeah, ST, you're probably right. That's why I've never really traded it before. I've traded the 150s and the 50s, but a $10 PA fee. Damn, I mean, if you can get it, $10 PA fee, pretty damn awesome. Yeah, Caleb, the flex for me is about if you like to just get your payouts. You know what I mean? You like to turn 70 bucks into 2,000, you know, multiple times, then do that. It's a no-brainer risk reward. Nice, Bori. Are you considering an affiliate partnership with Lucid? I am a partner of Lucid. Coupon code all caps JESSEW. Nice pullback here. Should have gone after another account there with APEC. Maybe we can catch a bounce. I really should have been trading my personal account though. Some more of this peanut butter toast. The friggin' camera's following me. I forgot that setting was on, so you guys got to see that whole ass bite. I don't know, Joey. I kind of gave up on it, man. I kind of gave up on it. I gotta make playlists the day before, bro. Some danger things. What is it? What is that show on Netflix? I forgot the name of it. Blaze, what's up? First time in the live stream, but long time subscriber in the house. Welcome, welcome. Oof, West Coast Trader Jeff. Golly. Hey, you know what? That should be your handle. Instead of Jeff Pet, West Coast Trader Jeff. All right. Enough of this nonsense. Jeff, West Coast Trader Jeff in the house. Stranger Things. Yes, Wild Worlds animated. Stranger Things. Is your channel about something Wild Worlds animated? Like, do you do animations? Because I freaking love your name. News is over. It was a nothing burger. Future bets. I know Take Profit Trader offers it. I don't know anybody else that does. Like Live, right? Live Cash account. I think they're the only ones. I could be wrong, but. What time is it? 10:06 a.m. Golly, that's. I feel like we've been on here for like a good solid hour. Price action has kind of sucked. But we do have 2 funded accounts. Well, 2 past evals. Can't have any more. I can't have 20 million funded accounts at Apex. I already have the 20 PAs. Now we're just building buffers on them. T Cooper, what's up, my man? Live accounts after Pro Plus. Lucid says they are offering it now as well. Yeah, they have. Lucid has live accounts. I just don't know if it's 5. Oh, roger that, Wild World. Hey, I asked this earlier, guys, but I know there's more people have trickled into the stream. Anyone on here, community member, that is a web developer, looking for a web developer? Any web developers in the house? Damn, really drying up. This market is insane. Guys, remember to smash that like button for me. It really helps out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. Which volume? Is it my volume is low? Oh, you're talking about the freaking, yeah, volume is low on the market. It is drying up. I mean, it's December. It's December, you know. We're gonna push that high there on low volume.
From dusk till dawn, I turn my speakers on. Why they wanna play with the king? I told them meet LeBron. There's darkness in my city, wrong moves, and you won't see the sun. They be talking loud, but never been where the creatures hunt. And bleed for this dream, so why your eyes closed?
Weebly, I remember building a website on Weebly. I mean, it's like the first 2 weeks of December are gonna be, you know, there's gonna be some movement this week and next week, absolutely. And then we might drift higher at the end of the month on very low volume. I mean, I personally, I'm considering taking the last 2 weeks of the month kind of off. All right, so let me see what we got here, because it's time for a giveaway. It's the guy from earlier in here? Nope, because I banned him. All right. Who is ready for a giveaway? Type your favorite coupon code in the chat so I know that you're ready to rock and roll with a giveaway. I want to make sure you're all paying attention.
Every single word a load of clip and I don't miss enough. Mirror on the mic so when I rap it's
love it.
Pressure in my pen can turn the diamond back to kitten dust. I told y'all I'm done playing, I'm going animal. Doing damage, get in my way, you'll be collateral. Blood in every bar, just let the ink fill up the catacombs. Pray for the prey, cause every day is a sabbatical.
All right, here we go. This is for Apex. Any account size you want. Here's the code. Remember, it usually works more than once. So go, 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 and go. Oh, Tevin. Nice. Nice. Future Brett's got himself 100K. Tushar got one. Let's go. Black Diamond got one. Here, Ronnie, what's up? Glad you got one, man. My pleasure. Caleb says, web code is easier than pine code. I know nothing of either. But I do need someone to fix my website. What website that is? That one. God, it's not even hyperlinking. I give up. I'm done. I give up. All right, so what do we got? We got 2 more giveaways left. We got one 150K Take Profit Trader account to one lucky winner who will win during a kind of like a trivia. And then we have the 50K trade day that will go to whoever is the top fan in chat. And we'll probably get that one done in the next 10 to 15 minutes. Hey Shorts, I'm pretty sure that you're watching this not in real time. All right, guys, time to do a 150K Take Profit Trader eval giveaway. Are you guys ready for that one? Because this one is all about speed. So your hands are going to have to be on that keyboard ready to type. This one is only one winner and you're going to need to be fast. So I need to make sure that your hands are on the keyboard. Type number 1 in chat if you're ready to rock and roll.
Yeah, it's going down. Yeah, it's going down. It's going down. Yeah, it's going down. Whole time. Trap bleeding. We still them. Freedom guys. They was telling lies. Bad. Double D's.
I'm gonna go for it here again. Need a 47. And that'll give me another account. Number 1 in chats all around. All right. So, wait. We're at 51. No, stop it. Don't go back up. Keep going down. Get under 50. Go to 47. I command you. NQ, you must listen to me. I wrote the algo after all, right? NQ, damn it. You get your ass under 50 and go to 47. There it is. There it is. NQ knows who's daddy. All right. That's 3 accounts out of 5 today in front of y'all. What were we doing? Giveaway, 150K trivia. First person to answer correctly, but I don't want to take screenshots and crap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the stream on. I'll put the stream on here live for you. You're going to see who's going to give the right answer in real time. Jesse, how do you pass Apex eval so fast? Well, you've seen it already. Okay, so the question is, I was eating a piece of toast, right? What was the topping on the toast? I said it out loud multiple times. Love it. Future bets, you need to turn everything off and go to sleep for the rest of the day. Okay? Because today's not, no, we need a reset, brother. We need a reset. Guys, you got to make sure that you're clicking the thing and watching it live and not a few seconds or a few minutes behind. That's even worse. All right, so we'll scroll it up. Who is the winner who said peanut butter first? Always try. Siva, peanut butter. First person to say peanut butter. So there you go. Right here in front of you, you're seeing it for yourself. There you go, Siva. Okay, so email me for your 150K eval TPT you must email me your Take Profit Trader email address and email me at info@thedaytrader.chatroom.com. Okay, listen, once you email me, put something in the subject line that's unique. Come back to the chat and tell me what you put in the subject line so I can confirm that I have your email in there. And then I'll get you squared away today. You're going to get it one of these days, I'm sure. Bro, hey, what's up? Oh, man. All right, fam. So we did that. And now we got 5 minutes left. 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, we are going to announce the winner of the trade day. And the winner of the trade day will be from the top fans list, whoever is number one. So here is your 5-minute timer. And what we're going to do in the next 5 minutes, meanwhile, is ask any questions you have. A little bit of a Q&A time if you like. Go ahead, throw it up in chat there. 5 minutes for the top fan. Right now, top fan Kier is in the lead with 1150. Trader's Den with 600. The Trader's Nest with 350. And that's it. Everybody else is pretty much far, far away. Kier, keep killing it there, my man. All right, Siva, you mailed me. What is the subject line that you use in that email? Look at this. I got 1, 2, 3. I got 3 different partnership emails from 3 different firms that I've never heard of. Oh my God, what is this website? All right, I'm getting out of here. All right, brother, gotcha. Siva, gotcha. I got your email here, so I'll get you taken care of today. Later, Tevin. Drive safe, bud. All right, we got 2.5 minutes left, guys. And then the winner will be announced for today's trade day eval. Damn, here we go, man. We missed another one. Could have gotten my final eval there. Guys, I spent a fortune this weekend. I bought all new, like, trolling reels, trolling rods with Terminator butts. A bunch of new Shimano spinning reels. Tackle Direct was like, damn, this guy's just throwing money at us. But it was time. I needed to replace a bunch of my spinning reels. I had a bunch of spinning reels that have been with me for 15 years. It was definitely time to replace those. And then my Penn International 30s, I was like, let's replace them. Might as well. There was a good deal going on. So replace those with Shimano Tiagra 30s. So yeah, I spent a fortune. Oh, Trader's Nest coming in trying to grab that from Kier. Kier, are you out there, man? Keep chatting, keep fighting. As some firms would say, jab, jab. Oh, Trader's Nest coming with uppercuts. God bless you, Jesse. You don't have to do what you do, but you show love to the community. Very few people do this. Thank you, brother. I really appreciate that. Oh, business was busy today? Good, man. I'm glad. I'm glad to hear that. All right. We got 47 seconds left. And right now, Kier needs 151 XP points, and he takes the lead again. Kier, are you here? You're not far back at all. What are my thoughts on Top Step lately? Joey, have you seen my videos? I posted like 3 videos back to back regarding Top Step and Project X and all that stuff. Still in the top 10 firms, there's no doubt about that, but I mean, I have my live account with them, but I don't see myself buying any new ones. Oh, Kier coming in. Oh, a 0. Did he win? Did he win? Kier won. Kier won. Oh, crap. Bro, how did you pull? That was like an eBay snipe at the end. Wow, that was amazing. Bro, you guys really battled it out. You guys really battled it out. Yo, you guys are savages. That was amazing. That was like an eBay snipe. I've done those on eBay. That was wild. I have not, Lays. All right, so Kier, winner chicken dinner. Email me info at the day trader chat room.com. Send me an email right now, bud, so we can get you squared away. Market keeps pulling back. SPY under VWAP now. Email me now, bud, so that I can make sure that I got your email, and then we're going to call it a stream. Let me see here. All right, so before I head out, once more, current deals that are going on. Apex, 80% off, $10 to $40 PA fees, depending on the account you choose. Take Profit Trader, 30% off with 0 activation fee and 100% refund on your eval if you pass it without blowing it up. Trade Day, 40% off. Cyber Monday is coming in hot. Lucid, 40% off. Bulenox, 85% off. My Funded Futures, 30% off on the Pro with a 100K cap on your payout. Tradeify, 40% off. Futures Trade Desk, 60 to 70% off. Purdia, 50% off. Bookmap also has some specials going on, so make sure you take advantage of Bookmap. Bookmap, there's the link. Bookmap. Code Jesse W. Boom. And where's Tick Tick Trader? Not Tick Tick Trader, God no. Where's Funding Ticks? Funding ticks 50% off. All right. Gotcha. All right, so I got you there, Kier. Guys, 10:27 a.m. Passed 3 evaluations I take at Apex out of 5 attempts. That's pretty damn good if you ask me. Live on stream, showed you how I do it, when I do it, and I go after it that way. And fun stream, gave away some accounts. Everybody took home something, just about. Major Cyber Monday specials going on right now. New video drops later today. Just waiting for that thumbnail. Oh, wait a second. Thumbnail just came in. Let's see, is it to my liking? No, it is not to my liking. Oh, no. All right, so the video is going to be a little bit delayed, but new video drops today, guys. Jeff West Coast Trader is out. See you later. Love you too. Guys, does anyone know the changes TraderVate made with TraderVate prop? Or there's no changes. I love how... Yeah, I love it too. Guys, you are awesome. See you all on the video that I'll drop today. Next live stream is going to be Wednesday morning, 9:15 a.m. All right, so I'll see you then. Take it easy. Keep it green. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.